I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today I am excited to take you on a virtual walking tour of one of the most vibrant and exciting beaches in Barcelona, Bogatell Beach. As soon as you step foot on the golden sand of Bogatell Beach, you can feel the energy and buzz in the air. This beach is always packed with locals and tourists alike, all eager to soak up the sun and enjoy the lively atmosphere. I begin my walk at the southern end of the beach, near the iconic Bogatell Beach sign. From here, I start walking along the coastline, taking in the stunning views of the crystal clear waters and the colorful umbrellas and beach chairs lining the shore. The first thing that catches my attention is the wide range of activities available at the beach. There are volleyball courts, football fields, and even a playground for the little ones.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
A refreshing cocktail, live music, or just a good old-fashioned beach party, Bogatell has something for everyone. So, if you ever find yourself in Barcelona, make sure to add Bogatell Beach to your itinerary. And don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this walking tour. Write a comment below sharing your favorite beach memory, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.